So after we heard the gunshot last night, I decided to disconnect the phone, set it over here with the used rag. We push chairs and the table up against the hotel door. Feeling pretty safe. We made it through the night.
So Alan's phone charger doesn't work, and he came up with this sweet design right here where his phone is charging and he has mounted his phone so he can get directions. So Scotch tape for the win.
And we're still wearing the same clothes from yesterday because the hotel was so dirty and didn't have clean towels.
It's all right. We get to check in at our new hotel at 3 o'clock, so shower then.
Yeah.
It'll be fun.
Jinkies.
Okay, we're at Griffith Observatory and we're trying to get way over there to the Hollywood sign, so we're about to get walking. The Hollywood sign!
Since we didn't get to change clothes last night, I had the absolute worst wedgie in the world. How about you?
I don't have a wedgie, but I feel pretty disgusting.
We're hiking in old clothes. That's about as gross as it gets, right? Coyote on Hollywood Park. It's pretty though. So we just came from way over on the other side of that mountain. That's where Griffith Observatory is. And we still have all of this to go.
And then back.
And then back, and it's starting to rain. What a trip.
It's been fun.
It actually is pretty fun.
Yeah, it is
I'm not gonna
nice.
lie. Tell me what you're thinking.
We're almost there. Just a little bit further of a walk, and there's the Hollywood sign.
So close. We're gonna have a few minutes to get up there and get back because our parking pass is only till 3 and it is now 1:02, and it's $10 an hour to park at the Griffith Observatory, so that gets pretty pricey. So we only got till 3.
We're gonna make it. He can't wait, he's so excited.
It's like the behind the scenes on getting to the sign. It's actually really difficult when you're walking, especially the amount of miles we have been on from the observatory. So we're on the back side of the Hollywood sign, but we've been walking since the observatory, which is way over there. Yeah, we're literally parked right behind the observatory. So we've been on just a little bit of a walk. This is the back side of the Hollywood sign. In case you've never seen it, we haven't until right now.
We're almost there, we think. Every time we think we're almost there,
No, we're like,
there's more.
we're like 0.2 or 0.3 miles behind the sign right now. Hannah's been walking in Converses though. I have my cheap Walmart shoes on. And of course, we're still both in our sweaty old clothes.
I'm ready to take a shower. Almost there.
We've literally walked so far that we're literally in a cloud right now. I mean, we are so high up right now. The gates are coming up around the corner there to the Hollywood sign, but it's insane. So we're officially behind the sign. It's actually right over that, but we're gonna go up on top of the hill here, up here, where you can actually see behind it without the fence in your way. So we made it all the way up here and you can't see anything. You can see literally the top of the sign right here, and that's it.
We're walking down now. We made it to the Hollywood sign. Didn't get to see much, but we made it there. So we've got like the whole trail to ourselves because apparently nobody else wants to do this trail in misty weather. So I think we're going a little bit faster than we were going up. So hopefully we'll make it back to the car in time so we don't get towed or get another ticket.
Another ticket?
Oh, a ticket. We've not gotten a ticket so far.
When do we get I would explain the horse poop all over these trails. If you are going to do this hike, just be prepared.
Or get a horse.
Save your legs.
Yeah.
Ride a horse. In case you haven't noticed, we have 2.5 miles back right now, and it's been raining since we've been, well, before we even got to the sign.
I made it. There's the mini on that van. Going out. We're very tired and wet and cold. We did it! Woo!
Took us 3 hours exactly to get there and back in the rain, and I'm not really sure the mileage. I know it's at least 2.5 miles there. Maybe, I think it's closer to like 4 to 6. But either way, we did at least 4+ miles.
That's good. We can say we did it.
Yeah. You can't see anything though. You still can't see anything. Well, we made it through the night, and it was definitely worth it. We well, it's just good to be alive, to be honest. But anyway, definitely worth it. They upgraded our room here in Santa Monica. We're staying right across from the pier, which you can see right over there. That is the Santa Monica Pier, and got a really nice room, and it's got like a jacuzzi thing. So anyway, all good stuff. We're
Pretty
very
awesome.
happy. Yeah, we
Much
obviously
better than last night.
are very tired. Anyway, so we're done for today.
Gonna relax a little bit and get some energy up for tomorrow. Trying to figure out our plan what for tomorrow is.
Maybe do some car spotting. Maybe go see Tavares's Lamborghini if it's open.
That'd be cool.
Anything else?
See you tomorrow.
Adios.